video for Tuesday, April 14th for math at home learning. We are going to work in our math packet first. So you need to get out your math packet. It's pages 8 and 9 is what we're going to do. We're going to do page 8 together, and then I'm going to have you do page 9 by yourself, and then we will go over the answers. So we are today going to be working with hidden partners. So we're going to be finding the different numbers that make up a number. Okay, so the example is we start with number 4. So you're going to trace the number 4. Okay, and they have broken the cubes into parts. So the first part is how many? 1, and the next part is 3. So you have 1 and 3 make what number? 4. So you're going to trace the number 3 because they did it for you. Okay, the next one. Trace your number 4. How many are in the first part? Correct, there are 0 in the first part. How many in the second part? 4. So you have 0 and 4 make 4. So your number sentence over here, 0 and 4 make 4. Trace the 4. How many are in the first part? 2. How many in the second part? 2. So you have 2 and 2 make 4. So what do I need to write here? 2. 2 and 2 make 4. Okay, the next one. Trace the number 4. How many in the first part? 3. How many in the second part? 1. So you have 3 and 1 make 4. Okay, the next part, you're working with 5 to find the hidden partner. So go ahead and do that independently by yourself. When you're finished, unpause the video and we will go over the answers. All right, you should have traced the number 5. What's in our first part? 4. What's in our second part? 1. So we have 4 and 1 make 5. So what number should you have written here? 1. Okay, how many in the first part? 2. How many in the second? 3. So you have 2 and 3 make 5. Okay, the next one. How many in the first part? 5. How many in the second part? 0. So you have 5 and 0 make 5. So what number do I put here? You should have put in 0. And the last one, trace that 5. What is the first part? 3. What's the second part? 2. So you have 3 and 2 make 5. So you should have written the number 2. Okay. That is all we're doing for the math packet. Now we are going to do a math lesson from our Eureka math curriculum. So you need something to write with, something to write on. So it can be whatever of your choosing. Pencil and paper, dry erase board and marker if you have it, whichever you would like to do your work on. Okay, if we were in the class right now, we would be using linking cubes. I don't have any linking cubes, so what could I do? I'm going to draw my cube. So you need 10 cubes. So I want you to draw 10 cubes. I'm going to count, make sure I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have 10. Make sure you have 10 too. Okay, now it says break off 3 cubes from the end. So to show that I'm breaking them off, I'm going to draw a line. So I broke off 3. Okay, how many are left? So count them. I had 10 and I took away 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 left. I had 10 cubes. I took 3 away. I have 7 left. Draw a number mound, please. What is my whole? 10. What are my parts? 7 and 3. Okay. Does yours look like mine? Good job. Now, I'm taking them away, right? So that means I'm what? Adding or subtracting? subtracting? Correct, I'm subtracting. So I need to do something to my number bond. What do I need to do to my number bond? I need to cross off the number 3 because that shows that I'm taking away 3. Now, I want to write a number sentence. What number do I start with? I should start with the number 10 because that's how many cubes I started with. Then I need to put a number sign. What do I put? Addition, subtraction, a minus sign. Subtraction. 10 minus 3, because that's how many I took away, equals 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Good job. Go ahead and erase is what I would say in class. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Okay, now this one. You're going to listen to my story and you're going to draw the picture on your paper, your board, whatever you have, okay? Ellie had 9 grapes. Ellie had 9 grapes. Draw the grapes. Okay, so let's draw the grapes. I'm going to do mine the 5 group way because that helps me count. So I have 5 on the top, and how many would be on the bottom for 9? 4. So you should have drawn your 9 grapes. Okay. She shared 4 grapes with a friend. How could we show that in your drawing? What can you do to show that she shared 4 grapes? Right, cross off 4. Okay. How many grapes does Ellie have left? 5. How do you know that she has 5 left? You should have counted them. You crossed out 4, and when we do it the 5 group way, you shouldn't even have to count them because you know that 5's on the top. So you have 5 grapes. Okay? Now, how would we make a subtraction sentence? I'm going to do a number bond first because that always helps me. But if you don't need to do a number bond, you don't have to. But I'm going to do a number bond because that helps me get my parts and my wholes. So what do I start with? What's my whole? 9, because I had 9 grapes. What are my parts? 4, because that's how many I took away. And 5, that's how many I have left. What else do I need to do to my number bond? I need to cross off the 4, because I took 4 away. Okay, let's write our number sentence. Ready? We start 9. Should I put a plus sign? Why not? Because I'm not adding, I'm not giving grapes, I'm taking them away. So I need to put a minus sign because that shows me you're taking away. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Good. What does the 9 represent? The 9 represents, good, all the grapes. The grapes Ellie started with. What does the minus tell us? The minus tells us we're taking away, okay? What does the 4 represent? How many grapes she gave away. And then what does the 5? The 5 is how many were left. Good job. Okay, last problem. Okay, we're going to do it now with 10 grapes. We did 9 grapes, now we're going to do 10. Okay, so if I want 10 grapes, I need to draw my grapes. I'm going to draw the 5 group way. So how many would be on the top? 5, and how many would be on the bottom? 5. So I'm going to do 10 grapes. Here's my 10 grapes, the 5 group way. Okay, she had 10 grapes and she gave away 8. That's a lot of grapes. She gave away 8 grapes. So what do I do to show that? You're right, I cross out how many? 8, because she gave away 8. So make sure you only cross out 8. How many does she have left? 2. She had 10. She gave away 8 and she has 2 left. So 10 take away 8 equals 2. Let's do our number bond. So what's our whole? 10. What are our parts? 8, because that's how many she did what? She took away. And how many are left? 2. I need to do what to my 8? Cross it out. So your number bond should look like this. Okay, let's write our number sentence. Start with what number? 10. Then what do I need? A minus sign because we are taking away 10 minus 2. No, she didn't give 2 away, she gave 8 away. 10 minus 8 equals 2. The 10 represents how many grapes? The minus tells us that we're taking away. The 8 represents how many she gave away. And the 2 is how many grapes are left. Great job. Good work today. Okay, we're going to do a little activity on counting. So let me pull it up. Let me put my screen down. Okay, quickly, I want you to figure out how many are there. Okay, should have said 8. Okay, this is to get our brain working and seeing how fast we can see how many dots there are. This one I should know quickly. 1. Go ahead and shout at the screen how many dots you see, okay? Don't do it too loud. You don't want to hurt anybody's ears. You should have said 3. 5. Give yourselves pats on the back when you get them right. Let's keep our brains working. Okay, let's see. Should have said 7. 2. Are you getting them right? Are you getting them quick? So when I look at this one, I know this is 5 because that's what it looks like on a die when you roll a die. So I know 5, and then I can go 6, 7, 8, 9. See how fast I can do that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I right? Yes. Is that what you did, or do you do something different? All our brains work differently, but we want to make sure we keep them strong. Okay, this one I know 3. And this is 3. And I just happen to know you should do 3 and 3 make 6. Okay, if you don't know that, you could have done 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. Okay, now this isn't a 10 frame, so you should know that this is a 10 frame, but 1's missing. So you should know right away what's 1 less than 10. 9. Because you should be able to just look at it and know, oh, that's 9. Same with this one. How many? 2. There's a 10 frame with 2 missing, so you should have 8. 4. That one's easy. It is 1. 3. 'So this is a 5 group way. So you have 5. You know 5's on the top, and you can go 5, 6, 7. You have 7. Oh, 5 group way, that is 5. Same with this one. 10 frame. You know that there are 10. 5 group way plus 1 more is 6. Okay, we'll do this last one. Then time will be up. Wow, it's a lot. Let's see how fast you can count them. You You should have said 18. Good job. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for